Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to make a quick video for what to do for this Algebra 2 lesson that I just posted because I know it can be kind of confusing. So you should be able to see me down here in the side. What's up? How's it going? Thank you so much. And you should also be able to see my screen if I'm not mistaken. So let me pull it up. So I posted this on Algebra 2's period 3 webpage first because they were due to get the assignment today, and then I just pushed it out to everyone because I thought, why not? So you'll notice that like a ton of things went up. You probably got so many emails, so many notifications, but I just wasn't sure how to get these tasks embedded within the hyperdoc, so I totally apologize about that. But I just want to walk you through how the assignment's going to go. So the very last thing I posted is where you're going to start. So if you're looking at the stream, right, this is our classroom stream. The very last thing I posted is multiplying / dividing rational functions, HYPE. It says hyperdoc, so you know that that's the hyperdoc. So I want you to click here first. This is the very first thing you're going to click on this assignment. And then I want you guys to look at the instructions. Okay, so the instructions say, hey guys, today's lesson is mostly through Khan Academy, which is something new that I'm trying, but I think they add some really great resources and get some really good practice in on how we can multiply and divide rational functions. That's what we're focusing on this second half of the week. Follow along in the hyperdoc attached. You will be watching a series of videos and doing practice problems throughout. The practice problems have already been posted as an assignment on Google Classroom. Think of this as like a task scavenger hunt, and I wish it was more organized, but like I said, I'm just trying this out. PS, you got this. PPS, all tasks are due by Sunday at 9 p.m. Do not sleep on this one, guys. Don't sleep. You're going to be like kicking yourself. So let me open up the hyperdoc. And this is what you guys are going to be working on either today, the 29th, or tomorrow, the 30th, depending on when your class was supposed to be meeting. So multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Last time we met, we had like an introduction to what is a rational expression? What does it look like? What can we do with them? Today, we're going to be multiplying and dividing, as this is a little bit more of an easier task. And then next week, we're going to focus on adding and subtracting these rational expressions. So start off, you always want to start off on the explore area. So it's usually some sort of warm up. Today it's going to be an ed puzzle video on how to multiply and divide rational expressions. Kind of gets you warmed up, starts off with a really nice example that I know you guys will be able to work through, and then gets into a little bit more in-depth discussion, and there are questions embedded in there. After you watch the warm-up video, answer the following. My question for you after you watch the video and answer the questions and whatever is embedded into that ed puzzle, without giving away too much. Name one thing you already knew as you were watching. There's going to be multiple things that you guys are already aware of. So I want to know what's your prior knowledge. And then 2, list 2 new things you learned while watching the video. And then you're just going to type a response here. Then you're going to go down to the explain tab, and explain, you're going to read the left and then do the right. So this is where it kind of becomes a scavenger hunt, and why I wanted to create this video. So today we're focusing on how to multiply and divide rational expressions. We're going to be following and practicing along with Khan Academy. See your tasks to the right. So I kept it really short and simple on the left, and now I have divided up all of your tasks on the right. So watch today's video lessons via Khan Academy. This is not true. Task number 1. Start off by watching and following along with this video. And the link is right here. So you just click your link and it opens up that video from the Khan Academy website that you would watch. I'm just going to close that. Then do the practice problems under the following assignment header. Task number 1, multiplying rational expressions, posted on Google Classroom. So this task right here is posted, and that is the header as an assignment on Google Classroom already, multiplying rational expressions. Task number 2 is you're going to practice dividing rational expressions under this following assignment, task number 2, dividing rational expressions. So those are 2 separate assignments that are on your Google Classroom. So I'm going to open back up that classwork tab. Going back to this class, right? This was the hyperdoc that we're looking at right now, but you'll notice there's a new assignment, task number 5, task number 3, task number 2, task number 1. So after you've watched that first video, task number 1 is right here, and you click this, and then click this link right here, and that's where you get your practice in. Now, these practices are totally a way for me to evaluate if you understand what's going on. So that's where all those texts are. That's where it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. And I know you guys got a million notifications. I apologize about that. But you just continue through the hyperdoc. I'll walk you through. Task 1, watch a video and then do the problems. Task 2, do the problems. Task 3, it's another problem. Task 4, watch the following videos. There's 2 videos to watch, so they're super short. They're like under 5 minutes each. Okay. 2 separate videos. Task number 5, practice. So go and find task 5 on Google Classroom. Task 6 is watch 2 more videos, also quite short. And then task 7 is answer the following questions. What is one thing you learned about multiplying rational expressions? What's one thing you learned about dividing rational expressions? And then lastly, do you have any questions? So overall, the flow makes sense. You're just following task by task by task. And sometimes you'll have to jump back into the stream, and I apologize about that. But it shouldn't be too terrible. Lastly, because I know we were doing so many tasks and you guys got a lot of really good practice in, your homework, your assignment is to do the following practice problems from Khan Academy. And they're a little bit more challenging, but I didn't post this as an assignment. I just posted this link. So I want you to go to this link. And once it opens up, it has it has a few practice problems. There's 5 total. 5 practice problems total. You'll figure out, follow this question, type in whatever A is. You have a bunch of these different little things. If it was a fraction, this will help you, type in maybe 1/2 or whatever. So you decide what A is. You can use a video or a hint because they are kind of challenging, and then you click the button that says check again. And this one shows give it another shot, meaning that's not the answer, I just guessed. But once you get it correct, and you can use a video or a hint or whatever, I just want you guys to take a screenshot and insert these screenshots in this text box here. So I just want to make sure that you guys are able to practice, but you can practice those as many times as you want, as long as it takes for you to get that. Use all of the hints and the videos as needed to work through those problems, but that's what your assignment is through Google Classroom. So hopefully that clarifies anything. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know. I'm probably going to ask you guys what you thought about this assignment, but hopefully this video clears some things up. And yeah, so you guys should watch this first, then you'll have a better idea of what's going on. Again, all of this stuff is due Sunday, 9 p.m. Everything, all of the tasks, all of the assignments, including the hyperdoc. So yeah, hopefully that answered some questions that you guys might have. And thank you so much. I hope to see you guys soon. I hope you're all doing wonderful and great. You're staying healthy, you're staying sane. Sending you guys all of the good vibes. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, dang it. Hold on. How do I cancel this? Shoot. I clicked the hide button. Just kidding. Bye.